In this quick tutorial I want to show you and explain how you can make a screenshot of your entire screen on a MacBook, and it works the same way on a MacBook Pro or a MacBook Air, and it's very easy to do. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to, and let me make this a little bit smaller so you can see what's happening. So by default the screenshots, the images will be displayed on your desktop on the right side above. So I want to show you exactly how it works so you can see the screenshots will appear over here, or the files for it I mean. So first thing you have to do is to make a screenshot of your entire screen is you have to click on the Shift, Command and the 3 key all together. So let me do that. Shift, Command, 3, and now you will hear the sound and you will see this image pop up. If you slide it to the right, now you can see that those 3 images will be added on your desktop. And in my case you can see 3 images, and that is because I have 3 monitors active at this point. So if you have only 1 monitor active, then of course you will only see 1 screenshot. Or if you have 2 monitors, for example your laptop and a larger monitor, then you will see 2 screenshots. So the amount of screenshots that it will take depends on how many monitors there are active. The first one is the monitor that I am recording right now, so let me open that. And now you can see that it is a full image of the complete monitor at the moment I hit the 3 keys. That's basically it. It's very easy to do. So to summarize it one more time is just click on the Shift, Command and the 3 button all together. When you do that you will hear the sound that a screenshot is taken, and depending on how many monitors you have active, it will add those screenshots for each monitor at your desktop. So that's it. Now you know how you can make a quick screenshot of your entire screen. In previous videos I already have explained how you can make a screenshot of a certain area of your screen, and I have also made a video that will explain how you can make a screen recording with your MacBook. So I make all my videos with the MacBook that way. I must say the quality is very good. So if you want to know how to do that, make sure to check those videos out as well. And with that being said, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to like it. Also subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, because a lot of more helpful content for content creators will come out soon. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you back again in the next video.